Okay, the question says a large upright cylinder tank holds water. If the tank has a base of 17.2 feet squared and a height of 4 feet, what volume of water can it hold? So you know that you're looking for the volume. So what you're going to do is you're going to find the formula. So the formula for volume is going to be volume is equal to pi times the radius squared times your height. All right, so we know the height is going to be 4 feet. That's all we know. Okay, what we also know on this is we know that the area of the base is 17.2 feet. So if I draw that cylinder, it's going to look something like that with a top around it. Okay, so we know that the area of the base, the entire thing, is 17.2 feet. All right, and so what we really have to do here is we have to break it down because the whole entire area is an area of a circle. So we have to use the formula for area of a circle and work backwards. All right, so our formula here is going to be area equals pi times the radius squared. So you see that we're going to have to use the radius squared for both of those formulas. So what we're going to do is we're going to fill in the formula what we already know. And we already know that the area is equal to 17.2. We also know that pi is equal to 3.14. A little thing won't make points. And we know that I have to figure out what r squared is. But you don't really have to simplify that any further because you look and you can see that you need to know what r squared is also for the actual question of finding volume. So the first thing you're going to say to yourself is my variable by itself on that right side? No. Okay, right now it's going to be with times 3.14. So we're going to divide both those sides. Sorry, my little decimal's not working. By 3.14. Okay, that's going to cancel out, giving us that 1. And sorry, that's not pretty. Okay, we're going to divide 17.2 divided by 3.14. All right, so when I go over, let's go to a clean sheet. I have 3.14. How many times does it go into 17.2? Okay, I'm going to have to move my decimal 2 places to the right. So I'm going to move it 2 places to the right here. And this is just going to give me the radius squared. Okay, so that's going to be about 5 or 6 times. Let's see. 3.14 times 5. 2, 7, 15. Yeah. It's going to be 5 and some change minus 15, 70. 5, 0, 1, bring down another 0. Okay, so it's going to be 5.4 something. So 3.14 times 4, 6, 5, 2, minus 1256, something like that. I don't know how many place values she wants you to go behind the decimal, but let's just go 2 places and we'll stop. So that's going to be 4, it's going to be 9, 4, 2. Whew. That's going to probably be 7 or 8. Let's see, 3.14 times 7, 8, 2, 9, 21 plus 3.14, 12, 10, 11, 5, 25. Okay, so it's going to be 7. All right, so let's go back to that original question, okay? Because 17.2 divided by 3.14 is going to give me 5.47 is equal to my radius squared. All right, well, it's not really asking us to find the radius. So if it did, it would ask us to find the square root of that radius, which is going to be like 2 point something. Anyway, now we can actually use the formula that we begin with, this one right here, and we can solve to find out what the actual answer is going to be. So let me clear this off a little bit. All right. So we've got, let's go with red. Okay. We're going to fill in the formula. We know that 3.14 times 5.47 times the height of, I don't know why it's not letting me draw decimals. It's being finicky. Okay, times 4. And honestly, I would just pop that into a calculator. 3.14 times 5.47. 3.14 times 5.47 is 17.58 times 4. It's going to be about 60 or so. Times 4 is equal to 68.7032 units, or feet squared, feet cubed. Sorry, feet cubed. All right, so this one, it's really it's a hard question because it's already giving you the area of the base. And so you have to think about, what does that base look like? And that base looks like a circle. So that circle, you have to go back and find the radius then for that part. So I hope that helped. All right.